Fierce face-off continues in the Delhi Assembly over the CAG reports. The Health Department, the Chief Minister today said that needs treatment. More corruption is going to be exposed, and this all happened while the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs were sloganeering against the BJP. Not a single guarantee has been fulfilled by the BJP. 2,500 to women still not given, is what the leader of opposition Atashi claimed.
मुझे खुशी है इस बात की कि सीएजी की रिपोर्ट पे आज चर्चा करने की कोशिश हो रही है। आखिर कहीं तो हो सीएजी रिपोर्ट पे चर्चा, क्योंकि जब उत्तराखंड में ये रिपोर्ट आती है कि फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के पैसे से आईफोन खरीद लिए, तब उत्तराखंड में भाजपा की सरकार कहती है कि नहीं हम चर्चा नहीं करेंगे। जब द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे की रिपोर्ट आती है, द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे दिल्ली में है, जब उसकी रिपोर्ट आती है और कहती है कि जी 19 करोड़ रुपए प्रति किलोमीटर का जो अप्रूवल था वो 250 करोड़ रुपए में बनी, तब बीजेपी कहती है कि नहीं हम सीएजी रिपोर्ट पे चर्चा नहीं करेंगे।
अभी तो केवल मात्र 2 रिपोर्ट सदन पटल पे लाई गई हैं तो इनके होश उड़ गए हैं। केवल ध्यान डाइवर्ट करने के लिए अलग अलग प्रकार के मुद्दे लेकर के आते हैं। ये पूरा का पूरा दिल्ली सरकार का स्वास्थ्य विभाग और दिल्ली सरकार के अस्पताल स्वयं बीमार हैं, खुद ही बीमार हैं। इसको इलाज की जरूरत है। पहले एक एक उनका डिपार्टमेंट एक एक चीज। आपदा के पिछले ये 10 साल स्वास्थ्य के नाम पे केवल भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है। घोटालों की सरकार केजरीवाल।
Let me go across back to my colleague Ishika, who is with us at this moment. 14 CAG reports were supposed to be tabled, Ishika. How many have been? Because every day that becomes the focal point of the confrontation between both these parties. What was the highlight of this report?
Well, yes, certainly, Ankit. The BJP said that it has promised that it will be tabling all those 14 CAG reports that has not been done by the then Aam Aadmi Party government. And in this first assembly session, 2 of those CAG reports have already been tabled. The first was on liquor policy, and this, the second one is on health. And today, on the very last day of the assembly, we saw a rather back and forth between the leader of the opposition, Atashi, and the Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta, over the discussion on this, CAG report on health. First we saw how, in fact, the LOP Atashi, she said that it is a good thing that, in fact, we are discussing the CAG report, but she went on to blame the BJP states, saying there the CAG reports are not being presented. Now here, speaking, Chief Minister rather responding, she said that in fact this entire CAG audit report on the health infrastructure shows that only corruption was done in the name of health. She further went on to say that the entire Delhi's health department needs treatment first. She says that there are, in fact, the audit reports, in fact, list that mohalla clinics are not working, there are not proper equipments, there are no proper beds, staff shortage in the hospitals, and in fact went on to say that one by one, all of these of the Aam Aadmi Party's corruption will be exposed. Over to you.